Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Today we're at Balmerino Abbey in Fife. So this is it here, Balmerino Abbey. It sounds Italian to me, like Balmerino. So as you guys know, I'll let you pause the video and you can read it. So here's the abbey here guys. Well, what's left yet. And Daddy. Yes, Babby. Right, go on, up. 1. Danger, keep off walls, yeah. And I bet you still get some arseholes that'll claim that. Oh, there's quite a bit left. An aisle? Oh, that must have been an aisle at one time. Here. Yes. This must have been some size of an abbey at one time. Yes. What, Babby? No. Mommy. Wow. That was one of them anyway. Right. How does this bit say? It's for prison. And another. There's plaques all over the place for us. So this must have been a however size. Yeah. Come on. South Transit. Yeah. Oh! Watch you. Watch where you going, Rosina. A chapel. This must have been. This is what's left of the chapel. Yeah. You think how the whole foundation just disappeared, wouldn't you? I think there would have been something left like that, leave it over there. The little lowest wall bit. The altar. Alright, so the altar would have been here at one time. Where this cross is. So we had the chapel and the altar was here. And it's just nothing. You can see how big it was. Yeah, it must have been some size of a chapel, guys. No, a chapel, an abbey. It must be some size of an abbey. What you up for?
When you do that, one is like a fountain. The fountain I'll be come back to.
Yeah. Look at that, they've put modernised bricks in it to stop it from falling down. Which looks out of place. I like that bit in Castleton also, that arch.
Oh, it does.
Let's see, in here.
Look at that, it's pretty.
Oh yeah. Guys, you're not really seeing it, but
oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
I'll step back a bit, you guys can see it.
You want Daddy?
Yeah. No, I'm not. No, I can't. My back's sore. Look at that, they've done well improvising that from Follendon. That's right. Oh.
Come here. I'm coming.
Look at that, guys, it's got a hole up there on that brick. Up there. It looks like original. Could have been original. Original guttering, but I'm not sure. I don't think that'll be original, Martha. No. I don't know what.
Can't really see in there, can you?
No, you get a good close up of the spider web.
I don't see that is so colour.
Oh no, there's fire.
Yes.
Hey, Connie.
There's fire.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Right. Wipe your facey. Alright, so it just goes right through. That's handy at having a GoPro.
Let's go.
What? I know. I did see it. Look, that house is right next to an old abbey. That would be cracking.
Wake up every morning to see that, I'll be looking.
Alright. No idea.
You're up and on the wall.
I'll have to watch that back on the editing to see what that was. They should really cut that tree down before that gets any bigger.
Yeah.
There's a door there, so it might have been something inside that door. I don't know about the plastic pipes. They seem to have drilled a hole through it to ruin it. I suppose that's just stop moisture, ain't it?
Yeah.
God, look at that original stair.
You see the door well. The door means it.
The chapter house, so this must have been the house at one time, guys.
Your house.
And see why it's fenced off, there's not much left here, the old abbey. Original stairs up to the second floor.
Oh yeah, I see.
The pipes just look daft. Can somebody explain in the comment section why they put them in?
But I think it's obvious enough.
What's that to say?
It's sacristy.
Whatever that is. Okay, that's a room for sacristy, whatever that is. Which I'm probably going to have to find out. Right, let's go and visit the old oak tree now.
I think it's good. Really.
Eh?
I think it's like a tree.
Right, up, step up on the old, that's it. You're not stuck. Right, let go of Daddy's hand in there. Let's see. Well, that's the north transept. That's and a chapel again. Must have had two chapels. And that's a flower. Come on. Oh dear. Bless you. She's got hay fever. I think. Are we going for a walk, Rosina? Yeah. See what it says on this bench. Come on. Right, Rosina, you stay there. I got a wee look in here. Stay there. It's an old cellar, I think. Come on, hand.
This way.
Come on, Rosie.
Go get Daddy.
Really? The Queen's Green Canopy, the Platinum Jubilee 2022. This tree is one of the 70 ancient trees dedicated to Her Majesty the Queen. This old tree here.
That big massive.
Traditional claims that the Spanish chestnut was planted by Queen
Ermengarde
at the foundation of the Abbey in 1229. However, the National Trust of Scotland has taken core borings which indicate that it is between 400 and 435 years old.
And that was
that tree is anywhere between, a tree is 500 years old, guy. The ancient sweet chestnut tree is fenced to protect the root system from combined foot traffic. I've never seen a tree so old, Melissa. Look at the size of that, man. Look at the thickness of that. Fucking massive.
Oh, did you? She was clapping her hand.
Yeah. Look at that, Melissa. It must be here. It must be that old. Look. There's metal poles holding it up. It's still alive, but it's that.
The pole's keeping it.
There's 4 metal poles at the back of it, guys. One there. One there. One there. One there.
4 of them.
Yeah. 5.
5.
Yeah. 5 poles. Go that way, Rosina. Watch your handies. Don't touch the nettles. Don't touch the stingy.
Wow. That's incredible.
Let's go have a look around here.
Yeah.
Look. No. There you go, guys. That's the size of the tree. Right, guys, I think I'll leave this video here. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.